Alright, so today we're going to continue with the boat. We're going to show you the repairs that we have on it, what we did, and then we're going to see if we have a floater or not before we continue to do any serious work to it.
Yep.
So we did all the patches around it here, and then this one was one of the really major ones, so we've added some plating, and then over here same thing, and then these are all just the ones that we showed before, so hopefully it stays sturdy enough. And
the other concern we are as far as it being stable in the water.
Stable, yep. We added some more supports just to keep the shape and keep it sturdy, and then we can flip it and show you what we did on the inside as well. Alright, so again, we just want to make sure we're good with the boat before continuing to do anything else. Here we added the main supports in with some angle iron, so this should keep the shape and hopefully it from collapsing in on itself. And again, these are all the inside platings. But again, just want to make sure we're on the right track before keep going. One of the last times you saw it was when it was collapsed in half on itself from that storm. To get it fixed, there was the prior swing set here. It was put over here with straps and the come along to get it back to its normal shape. And that's when we added all the main supports. It's still a little lopsided, but
That's fine.
hopefully that doesn't deter it from floating. Yeah, it's not too bad. And we're here. The spot where we're going to test it to see if it floats or not. Okay. Give me 1 sec.
Oh boy. Oh, right there. Well.
All right, we're at the place. We're tying it off just in case. Let's see what happens.
Yeah. Hey, where you going? Hey. We're in. I'm gonna try to push out.
Okay, 1 sec. All right, we're in the water. It's a little bit more stable in the center.
Push me out. Do I like it or not?
So far, no water.
It's floating. Success. We're going downstream. Here we go. Get a floor in it, I think she'll be fine. And some seats, she's good.
All right, we're in.
Good. I say we continue.
Looks good.
Get some seats in her. This is about where the seats will be anyway.
Yeah. A nice solid floor.
I'm gonna mess around to
Yeah, but this is where we are.
Well, push me out. Push me out.
How do you want me to do that?
Okay. Just let her drift. She's buoyant, no leaking. I was out leak back there. Nothing major.
That means more Flex Seal.
Nope. It'll be fine. Just barely can flex seal around it or something. We're here good. I'll use it. Now I gotta get out of here. Can you pull me back up in there?
Yeah.
Don't tip me. You're gonna have to go down that way and pull up and then pull in. There you go, that's good. There you go. Come around. Oh, don't tip me, sucker. Okay, coming in. See, it's more rocky because of that being on there. Once that gets out off of there,
Yeah.
but it's good. She's buoyant.
Here we go. As you saw, it was a floater. A few little leaks here and there, nothing major. Nothing a little bit of work won't fix. Get a nice floor into it so it's more stable. Get some seats. Just have it a little bit more secure. We got ourselves a Scanoe.